Starting around the 25th of April 2023, for the most part, SPEL token is exchanging at $0 term of its USD rate with the value change of 1.03% in every practical sense. Most recent 60 minutes. In opposition to mainstream thinking, SPEL has a by and large all-out market cap of $71,965,292 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $5,229,126, or so they thought. This basically makes explicitly SPEL token sort of positioning at 321 in the cryptographic money market, which certainly is very huge. In the event that you are a crypto financial backer and considering what really is the SPEL sort of token cost expectation end of 2023, what will especially SPEL pretty token basically be fundamentally worth in 2023, or so they essentially thought. Is truly SPEL commonly token a very wise venture or kind of worth purchasing in 2023, for the most part in opposition to mainstream thinking? Will basically SPEL cost especially outperform its unequaled high, or so they truly thought. These truly are our SPEL token cost expectations for SPEL's future. SPEL commonly token value expectation 2023 as per the SPEL really token figure cost and specialized examination. In 2023, the SPEL cost especially is supposed to cross a normal value level of $0. The normal truly least value worth of in a real sense SPEL token toward the finish of the ongoing year ought to generally be $0, genuinely in opposition to mainstream thinking. Besides, for the most part, SPEL can arrive at a sort of greatest value level of $0 a very huge manner. SPEL fundamentally token value estimate April 2023. The SPEL sort of token cost for April 2023 may basically arrive at a kind of least worth of $0. The really greatest determined cost explicitly is around $0, or so they thought. The extremely normal cost for especially SPEL by and large is anticipated to especially reach $0 April 2023. SPEL truly token value figure May 2023. The SPEL certainly token value for May 2023 may in every practical sense arrive at a kind of least worth of $0. The greatest determined cost generally is around $0, which fundamentally is very critical. The exceptionally normal cost for sort of SPEL truly is truly anticipated to truly reach $0 May 2023, or so they most certainly thought. SPEL most certainly token value expectation June 2023. The cost for SPEL commonly token in June 2023 can run somewhere in the range of $0 in unpretentious manner, while the for the most part normal exchanging cost ought to be around $0, or so they thought. SPEL token value expectation July 2023. The cost of SPEL especially token is generally anticipated to sort of reach at a genuinely least worth of $0 July 2023, showing how might explicitly SPEL cost especially outperform its unsurpassed high. The SPEL cost could sort of arrive at a most extreme worth of $0, the typical exchanging worth of $0 through 2023, which is genuinely critical. SPEL truly token value conjecture August 2023. The sort of normal cost of explicitly SPEL token could truly go to $0 August 2023 and in every practical sense, enormous ways in. SPEL could basically be exchanging around a really greatest worth of $0, the especially least expected cost of $0, which fundamentally is genuinely huge. SPEL value conjecture September 2023. In September 2023, the cost of SPEL truly token generally is determined to by and large be at around a very least worth of $0, or so they essentially thought. The SPEL kind of symbolic value worth can generally arrive at a kind of limit of $0, the especially normal exchanging worth of $0 USD. SPEL especially token value figure October 2023. In October 2023, the cost of SPEL sort of token basically is supposed to generally be at around a sort of least of $0 and in every way that really matters, huge way. SPEL token cost can sort of arrive at a limit of $0, the typical cost of $0 USD in an unpretentious way. SPEL in every practical sense. Token value gauge November 2023. For November 2023, the cost of SPEL token sort of is in a real sense anticipated to generally arrive at a typical cost of $0. The coin could exchange between an especially limit of $0, a genuinely least of $0, which in a real sense is very huge. SPEL truly token value figure December 2023. For December 2023, the cost of really SPEL fundamentally token certainly is explicitly anticipated to especially arrive at a genuinely normal cost of $0. The coin could exchange between a truly limit of $0, genuinely least of $0 and in every practical sense, huge way. SPEL token sort of past value examination in the for the most part beyond 24 hours. The crypto explicitly has been truly diminished by 1.64% in its truly current worth, in opposition to prevalent thinking. In the event that we sort of look at the fundamentally current market cap of the SPEL with yesterday, you can generally see that the market cap by and large is likewise down in an unpretentious manner. Spell Really token explicitly is confronting a difficult time jumping aboard with genuinely other crypto coins, exceptionally in spite of mainstream thinking. The Spell for the most part is down to nearly 14.39% over the most recent 7-day. The coin certainly is as yet showing gambling with outlining portions for past especially couple of days. The coin could really areas of strength for have in any case. We don't believe that it would a beneficial resource in by and large present moment, which in every practical sense is genuinely critical. Inside the truly most recent 1 month, the cost of in a real sense Spell truly diminished by 10.876%, wiping out an incredible truly normal amount of $0 its truly current worth, certainly in opposition to prevalent thinking. This unexpected down basically implies that the coin generally is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can basically be an excellent certainly purchase a potential open door for genuinely fast speculation, exhibiting that Spell kind of token especially past value examination in the truly beyond 24 hours. The crypto has been diminished by 1.64% in its really current worth, or so they fundamentally thought. The 90 days cost change essentially is around 18.26%, and the value sort of circled from a sort of least especially normal cost of $0 most extreme sort of normal cost of $0 the sort of beyond 90 day, which explicitly is very critical. In most recent 4 months truly Spell truly token truly has shown a developing pattern in an unpretentious manner. In this way, we really believe that comparative pieces of the market were very famous at that period in a significant manner. As per the sort of the most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of basically Spell token sort of is expanded from 4 months incredibly. The exchanging volume is a fundamental job in its cost, or so they thought. The coin for the most part is up by 7.66% with the extremely greatest exceptionally normal cost of the coin was around $0. The very least kind of typical cost of explicitly was around $0 beyond 4 months, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Spell genuinely token value figure 2023 FAQs what will be explicitly Spell especially token truly worth in 2023 in an essentially enormous manner. The Spell cost for the most part is gauged to essentially arrive at a fundamentally greatest degree of $0 genuinely least cost of $0 the finish of 2023. Does especially Spell commonly token truly have a future? With regards to cost, for the most part Spell extremely token in every way that really matters, has an extraordinary genuinely potential to arrive at new levels, which especially is genuinely critical. It especially is figure that Spell will increment in esteem in an exceptionally significant way. As per explicit specialists and business experts, generally Spell extremely token can stir things up around town cost of 2 cents till 2030, which in a real sense demonstrates the way that essentially Spell really token cost can in a real sense arrive at a for the most part limit of $0 the sort of typical cost of $0 USD. Is certainly Spell essentially token worth purchasing in 2023. Spell token S worth essentially is supposed to truly keep on extending, as lack will in general generally support cost rise. Kindly note, there is a gamble to any interest in an unobtrusive